Now we'll learn how to use a new tool called the offset tool. The offset tool is located right here by the push-pull tool. But before we get started, we will actually zoom in to actually get a better angle. Okay, now let's go to the offset tool. Again, it's right here by the push-pull tool, but this time we'll click offset. So if you notice the offset, if I hover over the offset, it pops and release my mouse, it says offset. Click on that. Now if I double click, triple click on the component I'm trying to change, nothing happened. Nothing will happen, and the reason why nothing will happen, because I first need to select it. So I click the select button, and now when I click on the component, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now if you notice the dotted lines that are surrounding the component, now when I press the offset button, you notice that it's highlighted there. So when I click and draw out, drag out and release, if you notice all the components change. Now I want to make the component, make this the offset by 1 inch. So I would type in 1, shift, quotation marks, enter. Now it's offset 1 inch. If you look at the bottom right where it says distance, it's actually 1 inch. So now I will go back to the push-pull tool, click on the push-pull tool, and now I will actually push it up. If you notice, when I push one up, the other sides move also. So I'm going to move this up, push this up 12 inches. 12, shift, quotation, enter. If you notice, all the components move is offset by 12 inches.